We call in our ancestors up to 7 generations back from both our bloodlines, and we thank them and look with compassion at the lives, times, circumstances that they have lived. We ask them to help us to identify any imbalances, challenges in our lives that are linked to unresolved issues in their lives. We ask them to help us identify all recurring patterns of behavior that are harmful within our bloodlines, and to identify where emotional, financial, health or other types of setbacks are bloodline related. Archangel Michael is here. We also ask them to make the roots of these patterns known to us. We ask that our ancestors will help us with the identification where this is collective related, because many of us are assisting in this regard as well. Thank you. Anarakastika Anarakastikarakunsiarta. Lanartastikaraca lo ujurto, lonkorokostikaraca, lonkorokunartihti, andarakastikaraca. Lanartiurto norto onirti ortostikoroko, lanarta astirti ortonsiarta, lanarti orto norto ondi hichte onkolokostik ahalaka, rankarakastikaraca. Lonorti urtonerta an, non kult hija alartas di hista, ondortos di caracan cierta, ondortos di coroconi ink ahalaka sti caraca. La natirtaneta an di hista, oncolocos di caracan cierta. Nankartirtnarta an, nunkorokostikarakan dirti, onkolokostikarakan sihta. Nanartirtnarta an dichtichte, nonkortirto na ankala kastikaraka, nankala kastikaraka. Nirtiarta. Nirtiarta nortihti, nirtiarta nunkolos diihta ankaharakasti karaka, lunortos diarta, lunortiarta narta an, lunortiarta narta an diihta nunkolkos dikaha, li ihanda arakasti karaka la anunkurokos dikaraka, ankarakasti karaka, ankarakasti. Now we ask Archangel Michael, the unicorns are here, and the golden solar angels, and Archangels Uriel and Jeremiah, to show us all of the cords in this regard, and to assist us to bring compassion, forgiveness, self-forgiveness, and clearance to do with the cords, implants, echoes, imprints, contracts, curses, and vows. A beautiful, deep purple light is streaming in. We ask that as the cords are being removed and revealed, that the healing light will, beautiful pink streaming in. Archangel Jamiel is here as well, and there is an ivory gold with the pink. We ask that this healing light will touch everyone in the bloodline connected to it in all directions of time and space, everyone who allows it. So this is past, present, as well as future generations. Thank you. Nunkurukos tikaraka, ninka achartos tikaraka la anunkuruko, beautiful golds and oranges as well, together with the golden ivory and pinks. Nankalakas tikaraka, nankalakas tikaraka anunkuruko, onkulokos tikaraka, unko osi ihuruko, nanda aza alaka, likaraka nartichtig, likarakan durtos tikaraka, likansi, de likarakan nortigotonoto onda alaka, li icharakas tika ahur, lunkortichto unkolokonsiarta, onkolokos tikaraka, la nartas tikaraka, lana achartos tihichte, nondo orokos tikaraka, nondo oroko narta aha, li inkalakas tikaraka na ankolokos inkaha, inkaha lakas onkolokon andarta astikaraka, liertiarta astikaraka na antikaha alakas tikaraka, nunkulti ich ankarakas tikaraka na tiranta andichti honurtierta an, nichtiortonorta an na aha ali ikaha, na ani inkalas inkoloko urkos tikoroko, ninkalakas tikaraka aha onkoloko ruk ana aha, li ikarakan siarta, likarakan ortichtio hono onkolokos tikaraka, nanarta astihita, nanartos tikolokon siarta, nankalakas tikaraka azichtihita, nondo orokos tikaraka, nondo orokos tikaraka, nondo orokos tikaraka, and wherever the cords touch the bloodlines at different angles and points, we are putting in crystal stones there. Nonkolokos tikaraka golden, nartas tikaraka astikaraka sunstones, nortisti the nartas tikaraka, nonkolokos ti ihunda araka, li inkarakas tikaraka, and clear quartz, niertiartan and selenite, nonkolokos arkas tikaraka nartichtihich, nankalakas tikarakan siurte, onkolokos tikaraka anarta astikaraka, and rutilated quartz, nartas tiartan siarta, ankalakas tikaraka, and onyx, nartis tiartan nichti ikachalaka rakan siarta, obsidian, nartas ti ikalakas tikorokon siarta, nankalakas tikaraka nortichtich, nankalaka anurte, ortos tikoroko nonkos tikaha, lankarakas tikaraka natirata andicht, lankarakas diurti, onkolokos tikaraka anirti inkos tikoroko, onkorokos tikaraka anna arak astich, ondarakasti inchalokos, ronda arakasti karaka, and Archangel Jeremiah says that he will assist us with the continuation of this task in our dream state. Thank you. Nortos tiartan nartichti, and Archangel Gabriel will help with diamond light there as well. Nonkulukos tikaraka, nankalakasiri inkachalakas, nonkulukos tikaraka, na aninkalaka, nonkurta, nonkurukos tikaraka, nonkurta ustika ahanda araka, lanartastih, lanarta anunkulukos, ranartastika ahalka, ronkurukos tikaraka, lang inkaharakastiko unsichtigte, and Archangel Raphael is now clearing and bringing compassion to our DNA genetic memory. Nartastika, so this is an physical level for us as well, not just behavioral level, nankartos di korokon, where these memories, these patterns are part of our actual physical DNA and RNA nortistir tan cierta nankalakastikarakan nortistik ninkalakasta ununkurko londa arakastikarakan londo ukolokostikarakan cierta nan di ihur nunkulokos nan nartastihikta nan nartastika achartostikorokun anda araka, and with Archangel Ariel we now take responsibility for our actions, choices and beliefs. Beautiful, beautiful oranges and golds. Nirti istikaraka, nirti istikarakan sierta ankulukos tikaraka, nanartisti inkuloko rokos inkahalaka stikaraka ruby ray activation, nortisti urto nartichtih nanka aha alunko rokos tikaraka. Nirtirta na ankalakas and the galactic swans are here to assist with this as well. Thank you. Nortirta na ankaharakas tikaraka, nankalakas tikaraka nurta, nonkolokos tikaraka, ankaraka. Ankaraka. It is done. It is so. Thank you. With all my love, Francie.